International singer Wizkid is not a fantastic singer, says music producer Samklef.
Even Wizkid, when I know Wizkid, when he was in Sule, Wizkid was a
Yeah.
rapper.
So, can I say something? Even Wizkid himself is not a fantastic singer.
No.
If we talk this one now, they go fight us, Samklef.
No.
Samklef one break table. Wait, see.
Let me tell you something.
Hold on.
If you bring Inyanya now, if Inyanya go audition and Wizkid go audition,
yeah,
who go win?
No, that's not the point.
No,
yeah.
but they go somewhere about simplicity.
That's not the point.
They go somewhere about simplicity. They see
Wizkid, that is free. When I met Wizkid, long ago, 2001, small boy that time for Sulere. Now you know Rough Man.
Yeah, of course.
Rough Man that time they tell her metaphors. More like Rough Man, I told him to start doing dancehall.